So what this is it's a machine where just you by yourself, so if you're like a one-man shop or like a DIY mechanic out back or something and you just need to change some brake fluid and you don't have a helper with you, this machine is what you need. It can make it efficient and fast. And what I'm going to do is just unbox it, show you everything that's with it. So let's get it unboxed, get it laid out, and I'll go through it now. So you've got the machine itself right here. There's a start, an on and off, and a dial to dial up your pressure. There's a pressure gauge right here. It looks like a good high quality device. This thing feels solid, very well made. An output here, a return, and a suction right there. And then your power cord goes right here. And it looks like it's just your standard kind of computer cable power cord. So if you ever did lose this cable, that's a very easy one to replace. Looks like you get a little instruction manual right here. The user manual kind of goes into all of the kind of diagrams on how to hook the hoses up and how to get this thing started. This will go on the brake fluid reservoir right there. You've got your disposable syringe, 100 millimeter with hose. So you'd use that hose to suck that out. You get the tank right here that I think holds the old fluid, and look how that just slides on there like that. You could see how the hoses are made. They're made with these nice kind of connectors right here. Right here you've got a green and a red, and that's going to go into the tank like this. You see how see how quickly I can set this up pretty fast, and it's self-explanatory, everybody. So you take the caps off, and then the red will screw on there. The green, oh, that kind of locks on the place. Then you've got your hose right here. You're going to put that on and screw that on, and then you'll hook this on to the brake reservoir, like where the brake fluid reservoir, so that suction hose will go on right there. So these also have like carabiner little hangers right here, so you can hang them up on like a hood or a rack or something like that. And it's a very convenient kind of system, kind of like their one-man show mechanic for replacing the brake fluid. Now I will do a follow-up video on this when I get a car that needs to have the brake fluid changed. I just put brakes on my van, so I don't need to change the fluid right now. Right now I just want to do a quick look and unboxing and show you the quality and how well this thing is made and all the stuff you get with it. That's all I got today, everybody, on the brake fluid change machine with reservoirs. See you on the next video.